Hi guys, well welcome to another video in the Gotcha series. So this one we could call Get Off the Couch and Fly. So what I did is I bought a DJI Mavic Air 2 drone, and I thought it might be a cool addition to our hiking videos to get some aerial shots. So today I thought I would just do a quick video and show you this thing, show you around my neighborhood from an aerial point of view, and give you an idea of what's coming. So if you think this is a good idea, if you think the aerial views would make the hiking videos a little more interesting, drop me a comment and let me know. But here we go. I'll show you some of the features of this thing. So as you can see guys, I'm up about maybe 100 feet or so, and I'm just trying to get used to the controls, to see how the pitch, yaw and roll work, and how you can maneuver the thing safely without crashing, and just to get a little confidence in it, to know that it's going to do what I'm asking it to do without plunging to the ground.
Before the storm, you know what's coming, so be warned. You can't stop me now. You can't stop me now. All my feet have come too far for you to tie them to the ground. Can't stop me now. You can't stop me now. Set my sights on where I'm going now. You turn it back around. Can't stop me. Oh yeah, can't stop me now. No, you can't stop me.
So this is my first test flight, and to be honest, I'm pretty impressed about the maneuverability of this thing. It takes a little bit of use with the controls, because when you take off, you have the drone facing away from you. So if you push the stick forward, the drone goes forward. If you pull it back, it goes back, etc. And if you move one stick to the left, it goes to the left, and the other one, it goes to the right. But when you're flying it towards you, everything's in reverse. So you've got to get used to it. So here I was just landing it right at my feet, and it did a great job. So guys, this one is the droney feature. It's basically a quick shot. You just press the one button and the thing flies away from you, lifts up, but it's always focusing in on you. So it's a nice, cool preset that you can use. So this one, guys, this is another quick shot. It's I think it's called a spiral, and basically what it does is it just, as you're walking, it's moving around you in a circle. But it's always keeping you in focus and always in the center of the screen. So like I said earlier, it's another quick sort of shot feature, which is really cool to know. Hi guys, so this one is another quick shot. I think it's called the rocket, and it just shoots up vertically. I think I set it to maybe 100 feet, I think, so it just shoots straight up. And like I said earlier on, it always keeps the gimbal looking down here, so you can get some really cool vertical views from this. So guys, the next one is called Asteroid, and what this thing does, it's really awesome. It shoots straight up into the sky, and then it rotates and takes a whole bunch of pictures and then stitches them together. And then what it does is it gives you this sort of like a 360 view, or what they call a tiny planet view. And I think this is one of my favorite quick shots. Well guys, as always, thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you can. Every like helps. And I'll just finish off with a little quick flyover of the neighbourhood so you can get to see the area where I live and see me just getting used to this drone. So until next time, stay safe, God bless, and when in doubt, get off the couch and walk.
Stacked. You can whisper behind my back. You can show me how the odds are up against me all day long. But I've been through the fire and come out alive, and there's no more fear in my eyes. Oh, now I'm rising, and you can't bring me down. You can't stop me now. For destiny, I'll take the long way proud. Oh, I know what I've earned, and now it's my turn. Lighting the fuse, let it burn.